Welcome back. In this video, I'll show you how to change the camera resolution and the frame rate on the Redmi Note 14. So I'm using the Redmi Note 14 Pro Plus, but the same steps should apply for the other Redmi Note 14 phones. So open the camera app on your device and then choose the video section. So swipe to the left and find the video option and select it, or alternatively you can simply tap on video, and then from here simply tap on the arrow that appears on the top of the screen, and then I should see these options appear. Now to change the resolution, simply tap on the resolution option, and then I should see a couple of options that you can choose from. So you can set it at 720 resolution, 1080 resolution, or if you want you can set it at 4K resolution. So once you change the resolution, you can also see the option frame rate. So you can tap on that and choose the frame rate that you'd prefer. So for this phone, it supports 4K, but at maximum at 30 FPS. So you can select 30, or you can lower it to 24 FPS. But let's say if you chose 1080p resolution, you can change the frame rate until 60 FPS. So you can do the same with 720. You can select 720 resolution and choose the resolution, or rather, and choose the frame rate that you prefer. So that's basically it on how to change the frame rate and the resolution on the Redmi Note 14. Thanks for watching. If you have any questions, leave them down in the comment section below. And if you found this video useful, consider leaving a like and subscribe to the channel.